Handmade, made in Canada means a lot to the company. You look in this building, it's people. It's important we have Canadian workers making world-class products. You can see the flags that are flying from the rafters. They represent 184 craftsmen and women that work here. They come from all over the world. It started right back in 1973. We all learned the skills from my father. He taught us what it takes to make a quality product. You need to have good leather, good design, and you have to stand behind the product. Now, 45 years later, it's worn across the world. Just pick up a bag or a jacket, you can see our history right there through this beautiful Roots leather product.